Good morning students. Today I am going to continue chapter 4 rational numbers, in which I opt the topic equivalent rational numbers. Equivalent rational numbers. As we know, rational number is of the form a upon b. A upon b where a and b are integers. So if you multiply both numerator and denominator by m, then a upon b is equal to a into m upon b into m. So these are equivalent rational numbers. Similarly, if we divide both numerator and denominator by m, then a upon b is equal to a divided by m upon b divided by m is also equivalent rational number. But here one thing you must remember, that m is not equal to 0. In case m is equal to 0, then a into 0, 0, b into 0, 0 by 0. It means not defined form. Not defined form. Similarly, a divided by 0, b divided by 0, again we will get not defined form. Example 1. Express the rational number minus 7 by 4 as an equivalent rational number having first part denominator 32, second part numerator 40. Now our requirement is denominator 32. So minus 7 by 4, denominator is 4. So for getting 32, we multiply 4 by 8. We multiply 4 by 8. So minus 7 by 4. So both numerator and denominator multiply by 8. So minus 7 into 8, minus 56, 4 into 8, 32. So this is our requirement, denominator 32. So minus 56 by 32 is the required answer. Second, numerator 14. So numerator means minus 7. So for getting 14, we multiply minus 7 by minus 2. Minus minus plus 7 into 14. So minus 7 by 4, minus 7 into minus 2, 4 into minus 2. Minus 7 into minus 2, 14, 4 into minus 2, minus 7. And our requirement is numerator 14. So it is completed, numerator 14 and numerator is minus 7. So in this manner, we will change the given rational number into equivalent rational number. Now example second. Are 12 by 15 and 8 by 10 are equivalent rational numbers? So 12 by 15 and 8 by 10. So we check. SCF of 12 or 15 is 3. SCF of 12 and 15 is 3. SCF means highest common factor. So 12 divided by 3 and 15 divided by 3. Both the numerator and denominator divided by 3. So we have 4 by 5. Similarly, 8 by 10, SCF of 8 and 10 is numerator and denominator is 2. So highest common factor is 2. So we divide both numerator and denominator by 2. 8 divided by 2, 4. 10 divided by 2, 5. So 4 by 5 and 4 by 5. Both are equal. Both are equal. Yes, 12 by 15 and 8 by 10 are equivalent rational numbers. Students, if you want, you can solve this question in this way also. Second method. First of all, we check 12 by 15. 12 is cut by 3 4 times, 15 5 times. So 4 by 5. Now 8 by 10. 8 is cut by 2 4 times, 10 5 times. Again we find 4 by 5. So both are equal. Both are equivalent rational numbers. Example 3. Comparison of rational number. Compare 4 by 5 and 1 by 2. Solution 4 by 5 and 1 by 2. First of all, we make the denominator same. So LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. So 5 is multiplied by 2. So numerator and denominator both are multiplied by 2. 2 is multiplied by 5. For getting 10, so both numerator and denominator multiplied by 5. 4 to the 8, 8 by 10, 1 into 5, 5, 5 by 10. So 8 by 10 and 5 by 10. So which one is greater? 8 by 10 is greater than 5 by 10. So from question 4 by 5 is greater than 1 by 2. Example 4. Compare minus 3 by 4 and minus 1 by 2. Solution minus 3 by 4 and minus 1 by 2. Initially we take LCM of denominators 4, 2. LCM is 4. So 4 is multiplied by 1. So minus 3 into 1 upon 4 into 1. 2 is multiplied by 2. So minus 1 into 2 upon 2 into 2. Minus 3 into 1. Minus 3 by 4. Minus 1 into 2. Minus 2 by 4. So obviously minus 2 by 4 is greater than minus 3 by 4. Therefore minus 1 by 2 is greater than minus 3 by 4. Standard form of rational number. Standard form means the rational number can be changed in the form of a upon b, where a and b are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Co-prime number means whose SCF is 1. Whose SCF is 1. So if the rational number is of the form a upon b and a and b are co-prime number, then it means they are standard form. They are in standard form. Standard form means a and b are co-prime numbers. Co-prime number means SCF is 1. For example, 27 by 54. First of all, we do factorize prime factorization of 27 and 54. 27 3 9 27 3 is 9 3 is 3. 54 2 into 27 54 3 into 9 27 3 into 3 9 3 is 3. So 27 equals to 3 into 3 into 3 upon 54 equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So we observe that 3 comes in both the numbers, here 3 comes in both the numbers, and again 3 comes in both the numbers. So SAB is 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. Now we divide the given number by 27. 27 divided by 27 1, 54 divided by 27 2. So 1 by 2 is the standard form because SCF of 1 and 2 is 1. It means they are co-prime numbers. Second example, minus 88 upon 100. So first of all, we do prime factors of given numbers. 88 2 into 44 2 into 22 2 into 11 11 and 11. 100 2 into 50 2 into 25 5 into 5 5 into 5. Now we observe that 2 comes in both the numbers, again 2 comes in both the numbers, but left numbers are not coming in both the numbers. So SAB is 2 into 2, that is 4. So we divide the given number by 4. Minus 88 divided by 4, 100 divided by 4. Minus 88 divided by 4, that is minus 22. 100 divided by 4, that is 25. Now minus 22 upon 25 is the standard form because they are co-prime numbers. And co-prime number means whose SCF is 1. It means only in table of 1 both the numbers lie. Other than 22 and 25 not lie in any other table. Student, today's homework is exercise 4B, question first A and C part, question second A C part, question third A and C part, question fourth A and C part, question fifth A and C part, question sixth A and C part. It means from question 1 to 6 you have to do A and C part in your maths copy and submit and upload it when your class teacher send you the link. Thank you students. Have a nice day.